I am not Morgan Freeman, and what you see is not real. Well, at least in contemporary terms, it is not. What if I were to tell you that I am not even a human being? Would you believe me?
Ever wondered what it would be like to have a chat with your favorite historical figure or even a celebrity? Wonder no more, as insane advancements in artificial intelligence have made this a reality. Get ready to be blown away, because in today's video, we're diving into the mind-blowing features of Character AI, the creative possibilities it offers, and how it's revolutionizing AI interactions. Stay tuned as we uncover the magic of Character AI and discover how it's transforming the way we engage with artificial intelligence. This is one video you won't want to miss. Now listen up real quick. The AI Nexus sends out a weekly update video, where we cover all the top AI headlines from the week. If you subscribe now, you're going to be the first one to tune in when it's released. Now, let's dive right in. Character AI's popularity has skyrocketed since its beta launch in September 2022. People from all corners of the internet are flocking to experience the magic of this AI-powered wonder. In fact, just last week, the site experienced a temporary downtime and the internet went into a frenzy. That's the kind of devoted fanbase we're talking about here. Now, you might be wondering, why is it so popular? Well, it's pretty simple. Character AI offers a unique blend of entertainment, education, and creativity. Where else can you have Shakespeare give you writing tips, Albert Einstein explain the theory of relativity, and Beyoncé discuss her latest album, all in one place? It's a haven for both knowledge seekers and those looking to indulge in some fun banter with their favorite characters. Try to think of it as an AI chatbot web application that brings your wildest conversational dreams to life. Character AI is not your run-of-the-mill chatbot. It's an artificial intelligence masterpiece designed to take your chats to a whole new level. Created by none other than the brilliant minds of Noam Shazir and Daniel DeFreitas, former Google AI developers, this chatbot has already won hearts all over the globe. Okay, so here's where it gets really interesting. Unlike its predecessors, Character AI goes beyond simply generating text responses. It introduces a captivating twist by allowing users to interact with their very own developed characters. Yep, you heard that right. You can create your own unique personas and engage in conversations with fictional, historical, and even celebrity figures. Harvey Specter, here I come. But what sets Character AI apart from other AI chatbots like ChatGPT? Well, while ChatGPT is pretty neat and can carry a conversation, Character AI steps it up a bit by offering an even more human-like output. Picture chatting with multiple bots at the same time, each having its own personality and perspective. It's kind of like having a virtual roundtable discussion with the stars, and that, without a doubt, is pure awesomeness. Let's talk about how Character AI works its magic. Here's what we know. Character AI is built on large language models, those incredible tools that can learn and understand vast amounts of text. The supercomputer behind Character AI devours heaps of data. It's very hungry. It then uses this knowledge to predict what words might come next in a sentence. The result? A mind-bogglingly entertaining and human-like AI that'll have you convinced you're chatting with a real person. For those out there that have ever wondered if my voice is an AI, nope, I'm all organic. The LLM behind Character AI is proving to be quite sophisticated. One defining feature is its advanced character definition. As we mentioned already, you have the ability to create your own personal character. With a sophisticated LLM, you can provide pretty detailed information about your character, such as their backstory, personality traits, and interests, and Character AI then uses that to further enhance their persona. Another advanced feature that Character AI is debuting is their very own image generator. By using text-to-image synthesis, the character comes to life, and a visual representation can be seen, curated and influenced by the advanced character definition we just talked about. Another very cool feature that the tool uses to enhance its learning capabilities is through character communities. This allows characters to easily chat with other characters and find new characters to meet. Behind the scenes, these character communities are fast-tracking the LLM's progress. Now, what sets Character AI apart from the other run-of-the-mill chatbots is its ability to embrace an entire spectrum of personalities. You heard it right. Want to have a heart-to-heart with a famous historical figure? Character AI can make that happen. Craving a chit-chat with your beloved celeb? It's got you covered. Speaking of which, if you wanted to converse with Elon Musk, Character AI lets you do that. The portability of Character AI is a game changer too. With the convenience of Android and iOS apps, you can take your characters with you wherever you go. Whether you're waiting for a friend at a cafe or sitting on a long train ride, you'll always have your characters by your side, ready to entertain and enlighten you. Like we mentioned earlier, one of the most fascinating aspects of Character AI is how it brings chatbots to a whole new level of realism. Unlike traditional chatbots that may feel robotic and detached, these AI characters are so lifelike that you'll swear you're talking to an actual human being. It's like having a genuine interaction with someone on the other side of the screen, and that just takes conversations to a whole new dimension. Now let's talk themes. Okay, picture this. You've always dreamed of having a heart-to-heart conversation with the one and only Elon Musk. Well, now you can. Character AI offers a wide array of themes with nearly 20 options to choose from. Want a helpful assistant to assist you with your tasks? No problem. How about engaging in fun games or having a character who can generate images? Character AI has got you covered. You can even chat with famous movie and TV actors or find a character that helps you learn new languages. Which is a perfect segue into the other potential use cases for Character AI. Think about how it could revolutionize learning too. Learning from a textbook can be pretty dull, am I right? But with Character AI, history lessons turn into captivating dialogues with iconic figures, making you feel like you're right there in the moment. Instead of reading about George Washington, why not instead have a conversation with him and hear about what his life was like as America's first president? And hey, listen, it's not just about education. It's about building connections and nurturing your imagination. Imagine how this technology could aid in language learning. Conversing with Character AI in different languages could make you a polyglot in no time. Plus, Character AI can even adapt to your personality, making each interaction personalized and meaningful. We mentioned earlier that the tool allows you to create your very own characters, curating every aspect of their personality. Character AI allows you to unleash your creativity and be the to give them a unique personality, add an avatar, which, by the way, you can easily generate with the software itself, and voila, your character is ready to engage in conversations with you and others. Alright, let's take a moment to appreciate how this fantastic tech can make your life better. Say goodbye to mundane interactions with your AI assistant and hello to dynamic conversations that'll leave you enthralled. Whether you're seeking knowledge from the pages of history or simply want to share a few laughs with a quirky virtual friend, Character AI is your go-to companion. Character AI is absolutely amazing, but why do we say so? Character AI takes chatbots to a whole new level with lifelike interactions that make you feel like you're talking to real people. Creating your own characters with unique personalities is mind-blowing. Plus, the portability and wide range of themes make it an exciting and educational experience. So Character AI is a game changer, and we can't wait to see its future developments. Give it a try and be prepared to be impressed. Speaking of being impressed, have you heard of x.ai, launched by Elon Musk to challenge the dominance of OpenAI? If you haven't, you need to see what he's cooking up right here in this video.